So guys, over here we have a Rangerover velar. This is a plug-in hybrid Rangerover velar from 2023. You can see over there. So with this car, you can see it's saying that stop safely, electrical fault detected. So what this car does, like the car, when you start the car starts then stalls. So the car is starting and stalling at the same time. The car cannot even move. So upon diagnosing the car, this is the fault that we found. Okay, so under the B.C.C.M, so this is the B.C.C.M, the battery charger control module. It has got a fault, a fault which relates to the control module. You can see from there. So, and this fault, upon doing some investigation on the fault, like when you click on the DTC help test, so come here. So, okay, so you can see, like the battery charger control module, among the things, it was about software. You can see it's saying that it's either the unit has an issue or we have a software problem with the unit. So we tried programming the module. So right now you can see we don't have any updates on that module. So we've already updated the module on that on the B.C.C.M, but we still have the same fault. So the next thing is to have a look at the have a look at the B.C.C.M to be able to identify if the issue we are having it's a component failure or we have issues with connection. So the B.C.C.M is part of the high voltage integrated box. You can see, and on the high voltage integrated box, this is that unit, the unit you're seeing over here. So this is the high voltage integrated unit. This is the battery pack. This is the under this unit, which is the high voltage integrated box, it's comprised of three things. So number one, we have the onboard charger. So when you plug in the charger from here, this is what controls that voltage. Under the same unit, we also have the DC to DC converter, because charging the high voltage battery and stuff and powering the AC compressor, the heater, this is the high voltage heater, cabin heater and stuff. So under this unit also we have the B.C.C.M, the battery charger control unit. So we have to actually have a look at the unit. Yeah, here it is. We have to get into this unit, inspect all the connection. If everything is okay, open it up, inspect it inside, check for any issues concerning, maybe I've seen in some cases maybe water ingress on the unit and stuff. Then from there now we'll be able to identify if the issue is because the issue is not software related, the issue is hardware related, because we've been able to establish that by doing a software update. So upon checking on that, now if it's a problem, because when we tried updating it, the update went through, but on the last part we had to experience a problem where it reported an issue with programming the it reported an issue which is it's unable to program the microprocessors inside that unit. So I think it's mostly based on my chances are that we have an issue with that unit, but it's good to have a look also physically so that we confirm that the unit is actually failed in terms of what damage we have. Because the strange thing, this car is very new. You can see the car has done only 19,000 kilometers. So after that, we'll be able to ascertain if we've sorted out the issue or we still have a problem. But that is after now physically checking that unit. Then we go from there. Yeah, so because also we even attempted to charge the high voltage battery, but it failed. So you can see that is the voltage the car came with. We tried charging it, but it failed completely.